didn't key up yet. I said I didn't key up. I'm letting the video game do the work. That'd be a Watergate to me. Audio. Oh, pistol video game roll.
All by myself.
Wish I get a grip on. Hey Trent, he told me I need to get a grip.
You doing your thing, pistol grip. You already got it. You the pistol grip. Trinitron 9. What you just got down?
On the receiving end of this automobile, that time I heard on Sony audio, and I think I heard 2 other people in there, and I heard on 5. Listen to the playback. No, I don't have to explain myself. Let me see if I can get up in your radio right there. 144 in the apple trees. 144 in the apple trees. Bang, bang, bang.
No Sony sound, bulldozer right there, right now. Sony audio.
What you waiting on? 144 bumping down.
Bye.
I got that pistol video game rolling. Audio. I got that pistol video game rolling. I'm back in my chair.
Bye.
Nah, he didn't record that one.
Okay, hey bulldozer, what you waiting on? Breaker.
I was waiting on the clean out, man. Listen, I don't like to be accused of doing something. Hey, Sony audio, I was waiting on the clean out. I got it. I ain't waiting on it.
There it is right there, cleaning out radios.
Audio drive. Oh, pistol, I don't know.
And she said she's hungry. Please out of here. Those are some pillows. I'll see you.
About Sony, don't forget about Sony. Hey bulldozer, wherever you go, whatever you do today, don't forget about Sony. Don't forget about Sony. Don't forget about Sony. Bye.
Hey, yo, Trent, it's you and 144 working the gate. I gotta do something. Hey, yo, Trent, I'm gonna leave the gate running. It's you and 144 working out that pistol New York video game with your contacts. I gotta go.
And I heard you want me and 144. I heard you pistol grip me and 144 working the video gate. Yo, take care of the band. Pistol grip 127 in New York City. Get his video gate rolling on YouTube. Pistol grip 127 on YouTube. Trinitron 9 with the Sony audio. Bye. It's all for the babies. Every time I key up, it's for the kids. It's for the kids all over the world. You know how it is. It's for the babies. Take care, big brother. Welcome to the weekend. Trinitron 9 said bye. It got real quiet around Brooklyn, New York. Trinitron 9 with the Sony audio, the Sony sound, and giving you that Sony experience. Take care of the band. I'm doing it for the babies. Bye. Just make sure you don't hit no babies in that snow. Make sure you don't hit no babies while you're driving in that snow out there. Whoever's in the mobile out there, do it for the kids. Be safe. Do it for the babies. Trinitron 9. Sunshine State, Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York. Wanna know who's that around the Sunshine State? Who's that around the Sunshine State? Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York. Breaker, breaker, breaker. Big Horn, take you around the Big Horn, take you around the Big Horn, Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York, with the Sony audio just got down. I want to know if anybody around the waters, can clean up this Brooklyn, New York base station. Can anybody around the waters clean up this Brooklyn, New York base station? Breaker, breaker, breaker. Dining out there around the waters, but nobody's stepping up to the plate, cleaning up my base station. Trinitron 9 with the Sony audio, the Sony sound, giving you that Sony experience. Brooklyn, New York, just got down.
We hear you out here in Northern California. Man, stay warm up there in Wisconsin.
611, get out of Brooklyn, New York. 611.
Around DX Pass.
611, get out.
Around DX Pass. 99, New York.
Just got
99, New York. Stand by. Around DX Pass. 99, Big Apple Trees. Read them out. Number 9, round 6.
Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York.
99,
Kelly.
99,
Kelly.
99, right at Big Apple. Read them out. Bye, bye, bye.
Wave, Kelly, wave, Kelly, wave. Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York, just got down. You got in there one more time. You got in there one more time.
Around DX Pass. 99, Big Apple Trees. 99, Big Apple Trees. New York, New York. 99, New York City. Read them out.
Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York, just got down. It ain't nothing but Sony audio, I appreciate it. It ain't nothing but Sony audio. It ain't nothing but Sony audio. Sony's the pioneer in audio. Take care, my friend. Trinitron 9, Brooklyn, New York, with the Sony audio just got down. Jumping up and down around Brooklyn, New York. Yo, jumping up and down around Brooklyn, New York. Trinitron 9 with the Sony audio just got down. Take it around the West Coast. Take it easy around